Guys, this is Mohammad Shahzad. You're watching my YouTube channel, Skill Set with Shahzad. Actually, this is my HP server. It's giving noise. After some time, it's getting heat up. So let's make it. You know, we'll. Okay, it has two processors, one and two. Sorry. So I bought thermal paste. We will put thermal paste on these two servers, and the tools you need it mostly they used this one, but also we can use the other screw type. We can use it. See? Okay, let's open one by one. You have to be careful. Slowly. This side equally you have to opposite. You have to open. So the spring will come equally up. This is my home lab server, which we installed in my previous videos. If you see how to build a home lab, okay, almost getting. Okay, let's see, it is up now. See the thermal paste, it is all over on the sides. We will clean it and then we will put it back as it is. Okay, so I will clean. Okay, I have cleaned properly this one and as well as our processors. So what I will do, I'll remove the stick and I will put here, as well as you can put here or you can put here. That's it. We will save the other one for the second processor. Actually this is only for one processor, but I want to put it on two processors. Okay, done. So we will, sorry, that's very dangerous in production, but you have to be careful. Let me tight. So make sure it's fully tight. Screws don't have any more. So let's open the second one. Okay, I have opened the second one. I will not it's already finished. I didn't clean it, so just want to put more. Very limited. I already put it back. Now I will make it tight. Side by side. Okay guys, we have installed thermal paste on all two. This was a low one, but we need more thermal. So anyway, so that's now the server, hopefully the processors will not be more noisy. hopefully, because it will pass through the flow. I bought it from the market. I don't know why it is like this. It should be a one cover here, so the airflow should go direct under the heat sink. This is called heat sink, from here, and go pass through from this to out. But anyway, nice server. Okay guys, this is the video we made how to put the thermal paste on the processors in the servers. Any it's a Dell, IBM or HP server, you can do that, and it will reduce the noise of your server. Take care. Bye bye.